So today we are working on a transition bike that somebody bought. We've done some work for them in the past, and now the seat post needs to be rebuilt. I'm pretty sure I know what's wrong with it, but it's a RockShox Reverb B2, and the down don't work. It's just something's wrong with it. So we're going to overhaul the whole thing with all the parts. If you need a service like this on a RockShox Reverb, we've actually done this for other shops in the area. We can easily do that, bleed, whatever. The rebuild kits are about 80 bucks. Labor's 40, and we can get you out pretty quick in general, unless I got to order the parts. I've got the parts in right now. He brought the bike in this morning. I'm going to get it done today, and he's going to ride this weekend. So if you need something done, bring it down to Bonzai, let us know. And let's begin. Are you happy you're fixed? Yes. Do you want to go for a ride?